Hello, this is a different video. I have Happy Mail that I want to send out, and I'm showing you because she already received it. She doesn't have a YouTube video, so I'm going to reuse this tissue paper, which I love, and hopefully everything fits in here. The first item is a mug, and it says Mermaid Life. And it does have a fin tail. Hopefully she'll like it. And so that's the first item that's going to go in here. So I'm going to wrap it up in some bubble tape. Next item is this. I went all over the place to get this in Dollar Tree. So this is how I decorated it. I made this a long time ago, so it was in my stash, this rosette. I did add some resin flowers and some chipboard stickers from a sticker set that Alexandra gifted to me. And so this is what's inside. I did put too much ribbon because it does pop up out of here. I didn't think it was that much, but it's 1 yard each. And so I guess you can't. So here I put some M&Ms from AliExpress, some resin pieces from Michaels, and this was from Amazon. And these little jemmies were in my stash. This I picked up from Walmart, and then these I picked up from AliExpress, and I did drill the hole, and I added the little to make it a charm. So I did put 4 of them in there. And then these I made from my stash. This I picked up from Michaels, the little bead I picked up from Michaels, and I just made those. Some paper clips, the little rabbits, and then these I picked up a long time ago. And then these little things was in my stash. And then I made these little beads. And I did use the Michaels little tiny attacher, which I heard reviews that they do break, but they are pretty hard, mine at least, so they didn't break. So I did use, and I made different colors in there. Then I did add these from AliExpress. I put a Mickey and a Minnie, and then some ice cream cones. And then here are some stickers from AliExpress, some sequins mix that I made, some ribbon from my stash, and some pom-poms in my stash. And so I did put her name on top. Hopefully she'll like that. Hopefully it doesn't bust open. That will go in there. And then I did show you this I picked up from Walmart. I'm adding that in here. Then I picked these up from Dollar Tree, which they are good to use because they're very hard. I didn't think they were going to be that hard. I picked this up from Dollar Tree, some confetti, and it's some sun. That's the sun. And then some flamingos. And then some little dots in gold. And then flowers and some Egyptian type of image there. So I picked that up. Then again, these, some, what is that called? Peacock? No, a parrot with some coconut trees, some mix there, and some pineapple with some flowers. So I'm adding that to the stash, and I'm adding this travel sticker, and it's 7 pieces. I think I should add it last. And then I did pick up some rub-ons for her. And then this hello for her, what is that, memory decks. And I did put my information inside. I did make some butterflies. And I made her a bookmark. I made her these little boots. I made her these little heart ephemera. And this I made. I'm adding a pen. This is like, it attracts everything to this pen. So it is new, but it just attracts all that. And I am adding this also. And then these I just made. And I'm adding those to the stash. So I am also adding this. Is some Tonic Studio dies. This one says Nan and Granddad. And I am adding these ephemera because I don't do Christmas. So I did get this and this on a Happy Mail, so I'm gonna add it to her stash. And then I am adding this also from a Happy Mail that I did receive. Then I'm gonna put some of these that I picked up from Dollar Tree. And then this from Target. Then I think I'm going to add some white or pink tissue paper. Okay, and that's that for that Happy Mail. Yep, I think that's it. So I hope she likes what I sent her. I do have 2 more packets. It's the same individual things, but different stuff that I've added. So that's going out today, but they have a YouTube channel, so hopefully they'll make a video out of it. Well, thank you for this unboxing, Happy Mail send out. Thank you, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love to have you subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you. Have a good day.